Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for YouTube on your smart TV. First, make sure your television has a strong internet connection. Then, navigate to your television's home screen and open the YouTube application. Once inside the app, you will typically find a sign-in option on the left side. This initial step is crucial for accessing all the personalized features YouTube offers. You have two convenient ways to sign in. The first method involves using a separate device, like your phone or computer. Simply go to youtube.com/activate and input the unique 8-digit code shown on your television. The second option allows you to enter your Google account credentials directly on your smart television, which is straightforward if you prefer typing on the big screen. After entering your code or credentials, you will be guided through a few simple on-screen prompts. These steps ensure your Google account is correctly linked to the YouTube app on your television. Take a moment to confirm your details and set any viewing preferences you might have. Once completed, your YouTube account will be fully activated, granting you access to a world of content. Now that you are signed in, the fun truly begins. You can explore millions of videos, subscribe to your favorite channels, and access all your personalized content. Dive into your watch history, discover new recommendations tailored just for you, and enjoy your custom playlists. Get ready for a seamless and immersive viewing experience, all in high definition, right from the comfort of your living room.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.